Well, it was an amazing experience. It was my first time to Europe, and in fact, the entire team was there for the first time. And Culture Fox made it really, really comfortable and cozy and very personal. So yeah, and the music and the workshops and the concerts, they were absolutely exactly as we had planned and expected. So it was an amazing experience.
It was like a very good mix of cultural activities with experiencing it with the people who performed at the opera or the orchestra, for instance. It was really good.
And so you think that it has been an enriching experience for students?
Definitely, it is a fantastic experience for the students of all age groups. Yeah.
I think there should be more such experiences, more such trips organized by colleges.
There's so many experiences that really will help them grow grow a very solid foundation in music. So yeah, that was an amazing, important factor for their learning. I'm very glad that they went through it. Yeah, we did get time for everything we needed, and the students got to walk a lot. They got to see the city, to experience Europe in its true sense. So yeah, we had enough time for all of that. Yeah.
And do you think you would want to go to another Culture Fox program?
Definitely, every year, at least once.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.